everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another part to my Declutter and Organization series, which is going to go from 2020 to 2021 because it takes a while for me to set up the whole room. So that is why I don't constantly post these, but I'm going to try that in 2021 I will finish it off. So yes, today I'm going to be going into this drawer right here, and over here is where I have my eyebrow things. So basically that is what I'm going to be decluttering today, my eyebrow products. So if you want to see what I have as eyebrow products, what I declutter and how I organize them, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Basically, like I had done last time for my powders, I'm going to just start grabbing and seeing what we have in here. Okay, so I can see some eyebrow gels over here. So I have the XX Revolution eyebrow gel, which I absolutely love. You know what I need to buy? I need to buy those Inglot drops to basically help when something dries. I need to buy that for sure. So that I'm going to keep, obviously. Here we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Oh my god, this was such a hit. I remember, and this was the first famous pomade that we have ever had, I believe. Definitely going to be keeping this one for sure. Here is a Pure Metal Fluid Eyeshadow from Absolute. This was, I'm guessing, like a liquid, oh god, like lots of stuff just fell. A liquid eyeshadow that probably I had received when I was with the Sweet Sparkle subscription. I'm going to get rid of this simply because I never used it. I have another eyebrow gel, and I actually used to like this, and I'm soon actually finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it, use it, and hopefully I get those fast drops from Inglot for sure. Another pomade which I absolutely love is from Revolution Pro. Revolution really do good pomades, and they're very cheap as well, so I'm going to keep that. Okay, over here we have the Brow Micro Pen from Rimmel. Now, I don't know. Alright, so like product is coming out now. I think it just until it starts, it was getting a bit complicated. So I'm going to keep this one. So over here we have the Brow Pro Micro Pen from Rimmel. I'm just going to swap. Okay, it still works. So I'm going to keep it because there's still lots of product in there. Okay, here we have the Revolution Eye Pencil. Okay, now this one, yeah, I still have product because I remember I had threw one away because it had finished. Probably I threw it away, but I actually really like it because this was actually a repurchase. Revolution really do good brow product, honestly. This is the Essence Contouring Eye Pencil, where you have sort of a dark shade on one side and then the highlight shade on the other side. I'm gonna get rid of this because I never actually use it. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the Revolution Ash Brown, what is this? The Brow Pen. Now, I don't know, you see, oh yeah, you have to obviously snap it out, but it's really complicated to use because barely any products comes out. So I'm gonna throw this away because it really doesn't do anything for me. And then when eventually the product does come out, but it takes so long to do so, it's not the best, so I'm going to throw this away. Okay, so this is the PS Brow Gel. I'm going to get rid of this because it's way too dark for me. Okay, this was a holy grail product, and I said let me keep it until I do the declutter and then I'll get rid of it in the video. And this was the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and I absolutely love this for the lashes, for my brows. Absolutely like this. Like the packaging has is like this. Time to go to the bin, but absolutely I had loved this. So something else that's going to the bin is my old Max Factor brow gel. Again, I kept this just simply for the video. I don't use this anymore, but I really like this. It's like empty, but absolutely love this. And in fact, I actually bought the new one, but I have to find this. So here's actually the new one, the Max Factor brow gel, in the new packaging. Absolutely like this, and that's why I repurchased it because it's a really good brow gel. Okay, so this was the MUA Luxe. It was like a pomade and actually was really good. I've used quite a bit of it, so yeah, and it actually came with a brush as well. I actually liked the packaging. I'll stop saying actually, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna throw this away because I have other brow products that I like, and it's quite old as well, but I used to like that a lot. Okay, this is another PS brow gel, and I'm gonna leave this because I actually really liked it and I got it in the right shade. Okay, this is a Catrice Eye Foundation Primer. I didn't really like this, so I'm going to throw this away, and this shouldn't actually be in this drawer, but anyway. This is another good brow gel, the Make Me Brow from Essence. It's actually a dupe for the Benefit brow gel. Going to keep that because it's a really good one. Another good brow gel is the Revolution one. I forgot like which one this is, but if you type Revolution brow gels, I'm sure you'll find that these are really good. Okay, this was the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. Now I haven't used it in so long, but you know what, I'll give it a try, but I don't know. I'll give it a try again. I'll leave it just in case one day I want to tint my brows again. So this is the Rimmel Brow This Way brow gel. Really like this, still use this till this day, and I will keep it until I finish it. This is the what is this called? The Eyebrow brow gel. I got this in the Look Fantastic box, and I really actually like it, and it comes in a brown shade, which is a perfect shade for me, so we can keep that. This is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit, and I used to really like this. Yeah, but it's really dry, and I actually have some others which I want more, so I'm going to get rid of this one. But I used to love that in the beginning when I had started doing my makeup. Okay, so this is the Hello Cosmetics Tantalizing Lip Eyebrow Cream. I'm going to get rid of this, but I actually got this from a subscription box a while back, but I'll just get rid of that. We don't need that. Okay, this is the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. Absolutely like this. Going to keep this for sure. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Have to sharpen it, but I actually really like it. And for an everyday makeup look that you really like, it's really, sorry, you have to apply makeup really quickly. It's really good. So this is the Catrice. But this was a collab, so I don't think you'll find this anymore. However, I'm going to keep this. It's from Catrice. Okay, this is from Revlon. It's this really long eye pencil. I didn't know where to put it. I just put it over here. But I'm going to keep this because this is a really nice shade to put in your waterline or your inner corner. And I'm just going to keep this. And I'll probably leave it in this drawer. Okay, so this is the Revolution XXX brow pencil. I actually really like this. Again, really good packaging as well. It looks like, it doesn't feel like a Revolution product because it's very heavy, but it's actually a really good one. So yes, and then we have the Revlon Colorstay brow pencil. Really like this. Comes with this spoolie, and then it's a oh no, it broke. Okay, but there's still left. All right, cool. As long as there's still left, we can still use it because I like it. Okay, this is a new one. I haven't tried it out yet, but I need to. It's a brow pomade and brush from Essence. It's a 2-in-1 brush and pomade. So I will try that out. Okay, so this is from the XX Revolution Brow Gel. Love that. Not gonna get rid of this. And this is from Catrice. It's the Brow Colorist Semi-Permanent Mascara. And actually, you've seen me use this quite a bit. And I will not get rid of it until I finish it. Okay, this is another good brow pencil from PS. It's a skinny brow pencil. Definitely recommend. Very cheap as well. Ooh, my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Not gonna get rid of this. Actually, I'm soon finished from it. I have another. Yes, because did I finish it? No. Okay, so actually I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm soon finished, and I got a new one. This one is actually falling apart, this pencil of mine. As you can see, it broke, but I've had this for quite a while. It's another good brow pencil. It's actually, again, from Revolution Pro in Ash Brown. Absolutely love the packaging. Very good brow pencil. Just what I'm realizing is I don't need any new brow products for 2021. This one was from Iris Beauty, and it's actually a really good brow pen, and I actually really like it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep that because it's a good one. Okay, this is from BDB, Billion Dollar Brow. I don't know, I'm gonna keep this one because again, it was a good one. I had this in a giveaway. So yeah. This is from Catrice. It's the eyebrow pencil. Again, good. Never used this one though, so but I like Catrice. So, and I actually have another one, the Somatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I don't know, I guess you can never have too much. Wait, what happened to this one? No, it finished actually. No, I finished this one actually. Look, it doesn't go up anymore. Oh my god, we found another empty, so I can't throw it away. Okay, so this is the Rimmel Brow This Way pencil. I'm going to keep this because I don't have that many Rimmel Brow pencils, so I want to keep that. This is the Koki. Oh my goodness, I used to love this one as well. And again, this one I found it from a subscription box. And it's actually soon finished, so I will keep this one. And then I have the Rimmel Brow This Way. Does it still work? Okay, yeah, it does still work, so I'm gonna keep this one. This one is from NYX, it's the eyebrow pencil, and I will keep this one, but I don't know, for some reason it's not creating good light. Okay, now it is. Just had to sharpen it a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. And then we have the Revolution Micro Brow Pen. Oh my goodness. Okay, no, it is creating something. Okay, so I'll keep that one and give it another try because I didn't like it from the first time, but I'll give it another try. Okay, this is a Revolution brow pencil. Yes, because I was soon running out of the other one, so I bought another one. So I won't finish. This is the Kai Brow from Kylie Jenner. Going to keep that. It's the brow pomade. I kept this brush in here because I didn't have any more space, but this was the Revolution sculpting brush for when you like apply like glowing products, so I'll keep that there. Don't know why I put this in here. This is the Nude Look eyeshadow. Going to keep this, but I'll put it somewhere else. This is the Revolution Soap Brow. I don't know, I'll keep it. Revolution Pro Eyebrow Cushion Soft Brown Eyebrow Definer. The packaging came a bit broken, as you can see. But I'm gonna keep this and give this another try because I forgot if I actually had liked it. And then I have the Rimmel Brow This Way. Does it still work? Okay, yeah, it does still work, so I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, this was the Profusion Brow. I'm gonna get rid of this because I never actually use this, so I don't need this. I'm going to get rid of that. But I actually liked it, so it's not because I don't like it. And then I have the Rimmel Brow This Way. Does it still work? Okay, yeah, it does still work, so I'm gonna keep this one. Oh no, this was Iris Beauty, so I forgot what. Ah no, but this was a bit too dark for me. Okay, so this is from Allure. Oh my goodness, no, this is a really good brow pomade from Allure. Don't know why I put this at the very back. This is the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade, which is a really good pomade as well. So I'll keep that one. This is the Brow I Love makeup. Oh my goodness, I used to love this one from Revolution. It's really old, but I'm going to get rid of that because I don't use these things anymore. So this is Essence Winter Glow. I'm gonna get rid of this because I never use these things. I have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and then I also have the Gimme Brow, which I haven't actually used yet because I wanted to finish some of these products, but I will definitely use this. This is from Max Factor, the brow contouring. I'll just keep this and for like Max Factor products because I don't have that many. And then I have this Melted Chrome from Essence, and I actually really like this, but this doesn't go in here, so I'll just put that in the rightful place. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. I actually really like this one. It's a good brow product. And also this is from Revolution Pro, which is actually good as well. The same. They're like dupes of each other. And then this one was from Mina. I actually really used to like this, but I don't use the brand anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Oh my goodness, I went to the mall. I'm so proud. Okay, so I'm going to just put these in the rightful place. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the brow products back in their place, and yeah, you'll just see a run through of me doing that. Easiest drawer ever. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've placed them all and they're all really neat. I've put them into different sections so I can easily grab them. So I got my brow pencils, my brow gels, my brow pomades, my backups, my palettes, which are only 2 now. Very happy. I only have 1 actually because this one's so brow gel. But yeah, okay, so that's basically today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. So yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see my next episode. Period of 22 products today. I'm very happy with that because I'm a hoarder, I admit that. But yeah, so that was the video of today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And thank you so much for your amazing support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!